Morning, everybody. This is really early. If you can see that. Yeah. And that. Washington Summit. 40 miles away. 40.2 to be exact. Well, things have kind of changed. Weather, for sure, become a big factor. Stayed here at the Notch Hostel last night. Had a great stay. For weeks now, we've seen Mount Washington. First time we saw it with Peak Finder was Killington. But it seemed like every step we took, we got closer and closer, and could see it. And yesterday, coming down to 302, that part of the day we kept seeing it, and we got in cell range and found out that we are going to have to change plans. So we're waiting on a shuttle to pick us up, and we're going to flip up north to Rattle River and come south. The forecast for Saturday, which was our summit day, went really bad. 55 mile an hour winds, bringing the temperature down below zero, like 10-15 below zero. Ice on the rocks. That's a no-go. They're saying it's 10 to 20 degree difference from normal. So anyway, by giving that I think it's 2 extra days, the temperature comes up at least 10 degrees. Without the wind chill, it'll be 39 on the summit, supposedly. We'll see. So that's our plan now. Headed to Rattle River this morning and get dropped off there and start heading south. I think tonight's objective is Imp Campsite. See how we do. We got full packs again. Resupply. Still not bad. I got 1.5 liters of water, 5 days of food, and I'm at 31 pounds, so not bad, but feels so much better whenever there's not so much in it. Talked to some southbounders, and I guess the track isn't supposed to be too bad, so we'll see. Welcome to the Northern Presidentials. Gotta change plans, change direction, just don't ever give up on your goal. Get finished up here and just wait around for our shuttle to show up, and we'll be up the road. See you soon. We just got dropped off at Rattle River Hostel. Make a quick change in direction, so now we're going south. We're gonna walk down the road here a little ways. Get back in the woods and start heading south. Hopefully this plan works and we got good weather. Get back to you in just a few minutes. Let's get hiking. Beautiful Rattle River that we're following this morning. Had to stop here and let you see this. It's gorgeous, gorgeous rocks and water's carved out here. Look at this swimming hole. Imagine being here whenever it's 80 or 90 degrees. headed out to Mount Moriah, and right behind me is Mount Washington. It's a beautiful day up there today. This is the first southbound and the last northbound peak in the Whites. So that's where we're headed in a couple days, and hopefully be able to make our summit. And I'm going to show you something. Of course, I showed you Mount Washington earlier, and we're headed towards the M campsite right now. It's kind of early, but behind me is the Carters. Those Carters right there. We may go a few extra miles. We're going to see what happens once we get to M, and go from there. See you soon. Wow, wow, wow. Hey guys, we're climbing North Carter. Man, it's a long way up here. We're nearly at the top. I'm going to turn you around and let you see what's in front of us. This is the stuff we've been dealing with all the way up this mountain with big packs. We got 3 liters of water because we're going to stealth camp up here. So, yep. Super windy. Got that to do. That is straight up, hand over hand climbing. That's what we've been doing for about at least a half a mile. Well, we'll see at the top. On top of North Carter. What a climb. It was technical, it was scary, but wow, how worth it were these views. Man, the colors starting to show up in the valleys. This is too much. It's so beautiful.